Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Ethereum update for Saturday 18th of June. So right now I'm actually going to talk about what's going on with Ethereum, and we've had a continuous downtrend of 11 candles on a weekly time frame. So this is actually shifting into a higher time frame to talk about it. So what I'm going to do is hide all the lines here and try to get the slightest clue of where the next big support might be. And to be honest with you, the biggest support for Ethereum moving forward is down here, the $310. Yes, $310 is a very big support. And right now the near support before that one is going to be the $808 on a weekly time frame. I just want to actually mark all the possible scenarios that we have. Now this was a big support here at 13,070, and you've already lost it. So even if you were to go to the upside, let's say you make that relief, you're not going to go higher than 1383. Maybe go back here. Even if you were to go back up, go back to 1350, retest. Okay, retest the 1350. It's a level on a weekly that you really haven't retested. If you would actually retest this level, that would be amazing before actually going to the downside. I just want to bring the EMAs as well. You can already see that EMAs are actually overextended. Maybe wait a little bit for the EMAs to come down here, go back for the retest, get rejected at the EMAs and the resistance down here, and then continue to go to the 808 and whatnot. Okay, so that's my take about it. But if you do come down to 808, lose the 808, there's a good chance you will even fall down to $310. Now that's the weekly, very long term frame over time frame. Let's go into the daily as well, and let's talk about the daily here. Right, so daily time frame. The near short term target though is that I want to tell you that you're going to have to look to put a big stop loss down here at 1012. If you actually lose this level, there's a good chance that this bear flag is going to be in play. And yes, you do have a bear flag, by the way, on the daily time frame, and this bear flag actually takes you from there to there, and you're still looking for Ethereum to basically come down to 808 or potentially $765. That's where we're looking for Ethereum to come down to. Now one thing I'm going to say though is place the stop loss down at the 1049. If you lose the 1049, I'm pretty sure that you're going to be looking for a good continued downtrend. So I'm not going to be trading today or tomorrow either, or even Monday, until we actually do not break the flag or even go back above 1370. If you do go above 1317, then that would be amazing to actually take an entry. That would be better. Now you're going to miss this chance, but better safe than sorry, because by the end of the day, setup is that you cross this level, back test it, hold it, and then boom, you go to the upside. And that's it for this quick update on Ethereum. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.